Hello, this is an introduction to ZMF Event Services. Event Services is essentially a notification vehicle for ZMF lifecycle events. We provide a web application that provides a subscription service. Each subscription supplies a URL to be notified when the specific event occurs. There can be multiple subscribers for each event, and we provide testing services as well. Details about the event are passed to each subscriber as a query string on the provided URL. This is a list of some of the variables you may see depending on the event that just happened. Let's take a look at our Event Services tool. This is an extension of ZMF administration, and you do need to be signed on in order to use this tool. I'm now connected to ZMF. A couple of things you can do here. You can list the events. This is a listing of all of the events emitted from ZMF. They're listed in number order so that each event has a number and a description. Number 1 is a package backout. 2 is a package install. You can, from this tool, you can subscribe to this event. You can list the current subscribers, or you can run the event. So let's look at the current subscribers for package backout. As you can see, this is named backout. That is the name of the subscriber. You can run this particular subscriber. You could edit or you can delete. I'm just going to look at the edit page. You can see some of the parameters associated with each subscriber. I'm just going to cancel out of this for now. The other thing you can do is to list all the subscribers, and I landed back on that page. So you can see these are all the subscribers we have in this system. I'm going to log off and close my window. Thank you for watching.